Yo, what's up guys? It's Pi, the Crypto Pi, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, alright guys, and what's going on with Bitcoin. Cause I know a lot of you guys, it confused you, right? When it dumped, right? Well, it did to me as well a little bit. However, this did give us a channel we're in right now. So if we look at the 1 hour here, guys, then we have a top over here. And we got a bottom here, right? We already had a bottom here, so if you made a line from here to here, it would have went further here, and you see it bounced here, okay? So, well, so we're basically in a range. So if you wanted to trade this right now, guys, you could be trading this, okay? So let's say you buy here, you sell there. That is if it stays in this range bound. We're currently in this range. That is what we're in. This line and this line. So this one and this one. See? So that's the range we're in. And if we look on the just a little bit higher time frame, on the 6 hour and on the daily, 12 hour, the 12 hours shows it the best. So you see that we have a double bottom right here now as well. Remember the double bottoms, guys? Yeah, we have a W, right? It's not the best drawing, but that's what we're in right now. So, and also the 12 hour, I'd say give it some rest, but like, I don't know, you know, the 12 hour, the 3 days getting a lot of rest here, which is good. It's great. The 1 week is obviously still pointing down, but at such a large time frame, guys, the 1 day is still on the bottom here. It is pointing down right now, but if you look on the hourly, it was a strong bounce, right? Like boom boom, and we're out now. So I'd say if you want to trade Bitcoin right now, guys, you can just trade it from this range to that range, okay? So while this is going on, the altcoins, they are doing stuff, right? So not so much on Bitcoin, they were doing a lot, because when Bitcoin's consolidating, that's the altcoins time. So that's why, well, right now not even that much. But so let's say you want to pick up an altcoin, guys. Don't look at what's green, alright? Pick up something that's red, and that's in the top 20, top 50. Alright, I'll give you top 50. But pick something up that's red, and preferably like big red. Now, if it's red and let's say it's 20% down, obviously research into it a little bit. Don't have it like be that something horrible happened and something went wrong with the project. But other than that, you can just go based on that it dropped 20% and it's most likely at least going to bounce 10%, if not more, back up. So, because remember, guys, if something were to drop 50% in order to get back to the original price, it needs to go up 100%. All right. It's not when it drops 50, it needs to go back up 50. No, it needs to go back up 100. Then I can show you guys this. Well, I mean, Bitcoin, for example, it dropped 46%, right? Let's say you sold here, exactly right. I mean, I don't suggest you guys to sell your Bitcoin, but let's say you did, and then you buy back here. We will need to go back. Look at this, 82%. So for a 46% drop, we need to go back up 82% in order to get back there. You know, that's how it goes. So I mean, that's basically how it is. But I just wanted to make this video here, guys, to show you what I see on Bitcoin. And I see a double bottom, and in order for this to tell me it's a valid double bottom that continues, we need to break this zone right here. Alright, we need to break that. If we break this zone and we trade above it, we're in the clear. We are not in the clear just yet. Also, guys, I'm going to make a separate video about all the indicators that I have on my charts, such as the EMA lines, the Ichimoku cloud, the stock RSI, the RSI, because you can see it bounced on this very nicely on the 12 hour. Okay, The cloud works very well. Look, so if it were to go under the cloud, obviously you're bearish then. That's an actual sign that you can be bearish, okay? But that's also this trend line. You see, it coincides with this trend line. If it goes under here, you're allowed to be bearish, okay? But then if you look at the daily, we have another cloud. The clouds always change based on the time frame, obviously, because they are mathematical calculations based on the time zone. So on the time frame. So the 12-hour, it's a healthy bounce so far, but I wanna see something like this happening. Let me get my brush here and go above it, right? Hit this, go back down, go back up, go back down, go back up. See? So we're currently in this range. I'm well aware of that, but we need to get above this W, like the middle point of the W, in order for me to really know we are into the clear. Now, I wouldn't sell my Bitcoin. I mean, I don't see even a point in selling Bitcoin, guys. Only use the money you need for bills, alright? If you don't have bills to pay, don't sell your Bitcoin. Why would you sell? Then you have fiat again on the bank. Great. No, that's not great. It's not working for you. Money needs to be working for you guys. So that's why, you know, you keep it in Bitcoin. And let's say we would go just consolidate, okay? Just consolidate. Right now, this is the range. This is the channel we're in. But we are also range bound because... Oh, I can probably just scale this. This is our range right now. You see that, guys? So this is our range. So buy here and sell there, right? I mean, but we are currently in this channel though, because it bounced here and not down here. So, but we are range bound and we're channel bound right now. We need to break it. We need to break this range bound up here. Now you see that if we break it, if we would have broken it here, we would not have this channel wouldn't have been created. So if we break it here and we go above this channel, we will make a new channel, right? But right now I keep this on my chart because it just helps me visualize things. And I want you guys to also really start drawing these lines to put yourself at ease, alright? So you don't panic. I don't want to hear people say, oh no, Bitcoin, it might drop, and like, it might drop so much. But right now, guys, I'm not even worried if it drops to here, okay? Because I know we're in this range. Now, if it goes into the cloud, then I get a little bit more worried. But you cannot be worried about something you do not control. You only have control about getting out, getting in. But instead of getting out into US dollar Tether or fiat or whatever, I would look to get into these altcoins that have dropped majorly, alright? Or that you can see is just on the bottom. Look at Bitcoin Gold, alright, guys? This, okay, so just a little bit about Bitcoin Gold, guys. You've seen what happened to Bitcoin Cash. I can see that going on with Bitcoin Gold in a little bit as well. It might just get a run out of nowhere, alright? Maybe Korea will be bullish on it all of a sudden or something. Something might happen, you don't know, alright? So always buy when stuff is consolidating or on the bottoms. You can buy it, alright? You can pick up some Ethereum Classic as well. You can just see, alright, what's up, what's down. So obviously you don't buy Ray blocks, you don't. Verge is down a little bit, but even from just looking at these charts alone, I can see whether something is range bound or not. So let's say right now Monero is looking interesting, right? Because it's flatlining. Well, then what I do is I go to look up Monero. So let's just do that. Look up Monero real quick. What is going on? See, so it's range bound. That's 12-hour right here. Daily, it's ranging. It's just consolidating. So we can buy this at the lows, right? You can probably already see, and I want you guys to learn this. Like I said, just draw lines. So this is also in a channel here. It's just not in a channel. I mean, it's on support. If this breaks, obviously it's bearish, but always wait for the close of a large time frame. Right, if the 6 hour candle really closes under it, it's bearish. If it closes above it, it's all good. Alright, and even then, even if it closes under it, sometimes you will see that coins will go like this. But still, that's fine, right? We just have to take it as it is, and we can only trade probabilities. So, but yeah, basically, if Bitcoin goes down, if for some reason Bitcoin were to go down, look into altcoins, guys, because you want to make more Bitcoin. Because you think Bitcoin will stay down? I don't think so, guys. I've been through bear markets, bull markets, so I know what's going on. Like, you want to accumulate Bitcoin whenever you can, alright? You want to get more Bitcoin every time again, alright? Stack them up. So yeah, guys, I mean, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.